Good food to make me strong. One day, Little Lion was eating his breakfast and wondered, where does food come from? Mr. Cow popped his head in and said, Come to my farm and I'll show you. At the farm, the chickens were laying eggs and said, Eggs make your muscles strong and help your hair grow. A farmer was milking a cow and said, If you drink milk, your bones will grow strong. Suddenly, a mango fell on Little Lion, who looked up and saw Bush Baby. Fruits have vitamins that are good for you, said Mr. Cow. The mango rolled down the hill and stopped at a vegetable patch. A rabbit was eating carrots and said, Carrots help me see far. Look, who's over there? It's Happy Hippo by the pond, cried Little Lion. Happy Hippo was fishing and gave a small fish to Little Lion. Eating fish is good for you. It makes you strong, said Happy Hippo. All the way home, Little Lion sang, Milk to make my bones go strong, eggs to make my hair grow long, fruit with vitamins each day, vegetables for health to play, fish to make me strong. Good food gives me energy to run and play all day long. The end.